Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to fix anti-cheat not installed in Steam. So let's begin. First that we need to do is open the File Explorer and click in C drive, find Program Files, then search for Steam. Now, scroll down to Steam Apps and then click on Common. And now, you can search for the game. After you find it, click on the game. And after that, you'll need to click on Easy Anti-Cheat. And now, you'll see Easy Anti-Cheat setup.exe. Click this, and once this open, click on the repair service. And that is how you fix Steam Anti-Cheat not installed. And that's everything for this video. If it helped, please leave a like and subscribe.